It's island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Beautiful people, I received something in the mail this week, and I didn't open it, so I'm finally about to open it, and it's the DJI wireless microphone. Yes, man. So, in everything you do, you always have to try improve and make progress, isn't it? So, so this right here gonna bring us better audio for our camera gears, and just especially when it's very windy, or sometimes we're not very close to the mic, it helps, you get me? So yeah, man, for a while I wanted to get one of these, and finally I got the chance to get one. So I received it this week. Took me about 2-3 days to receive it. Yeah, and I paid $388 for it on Amazon, which result to be around 30 something thousand Jamaican. So it might sound like a lot, but at the end of the day, YouTubers, it pays us as well. So why not invest into what's paying us to enhance, what we're doing, as well as, for others to enjoy the experience of coming on the channel, and, good audio, good quality and everything. So with that being said, we are going to open it. Bear in mind, I have no idea what to use this as yet. I haven't watched a video as yet or to put it together, but I know the specs and the features and things like that, you get me? So let's get into it. So it's a dual channel, so basically it's 2 microphone, so 2 people can use microphone, and it comes with a receiver, which is the part that we'll be adding to which is the part that will be added to the camera, so it pick up signal and everything. I don't even know if I'm opening the box the right way, but it's a bit difficult. My opening them never look good, Yeah. Something like that. So come on out, why are you taking so long? I think I pulled it from the wrong handle. Oh my god, look at that. Tell them a newbie to this notcher. It says open here. That's what happens when you don't read. I'm not even gonna edit that, like literally. That's what happens when you don't read. Look how easy that was. Wow, what's inside here? Alright. Got something in here. It's like a manual. Ooh, look what pops out. So this is the wind, I forgot the name. So basically this is what you'll put on the microphone when it's very windy, so you don't get all that wind noise affecting your audio. Yeah, so it's 2 of them. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Yeah. Alright. Oh, is this the moment of truth? Whoa, feels heavy. Feels very heavy. Alright, so open here. Whoa, look at that. Beauty. Won't you look at that? So that's it's saying 15.1 H, so 15 hours. I'm assuming that's for the battery. 15 hours, so it lasts 15, or maybe that's the amount that's remaining at the moment. So this thing also, you charge them in here, so they go in here. Yeah, here we go, guys. The DJI wireless mic, you can clip it. There's a clip on the back here. Yeah, nice. Love this. Yes, guys, here's some beautiful people. It's gonna be a good experience trying these out. This is what goes onto your camera. It's there telling me to Put on English to set it up. What is this? What's this part? Oh, it's some kind of it's like a clip. Think it could it be? Does it go here? I don't know what this is as yet, but I'll figure it out. Alright, and there you have these. This is for iPhone. So you plug this in and then you connect the receiver. Oh yeah, I get it. This piece would go, think like this. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, and then you connect it to your iPhone, and this one is for like a Android, and also for GoPro. Yeah, because I'm gonna connect it to my GoPro and so I go on. Yeah, so that is that, my beautiful people, the DJI wireless microphone. Yes man, so if you're looking to improve your video in good audio quality, are very good, very handy. Yeah man, very light, but whoa, oh magnet. Oh wow, I just literally figured that out by accident. So this is the magnet. So this is what they like. You put it under your shirt, and then this be on the outside, and this be at the back of your shirt, and you just latch it like that, and it holds on. Beautiful, lovely guys. Yes man, very nice. So we're gonna test it out. All right guys, so this is me with the DJI wireless microphone, and I haven't put the wind muff thing on, so maybe the audio will be windy. It's slightly windy at the moment, but we're gonna test and see if it actually works pretty well. In editing I'll find out, but I'm gonna go over there and we'll figure out if the range will be good. Yeah, so we'll do this. Yeah man, so this day here in the backyard. As usual, you can hear plenty of birds just flying around, banana trees and everything they bought. Yeah man, so hopefully the audio is good, and yeah, I'm gonna test the result in the editing process, and yeah, because I think this will be really good for the channel, to take the channel to a next level, you know. I personally believe this is a good buy, you know, because you know not every camera has good audio quality built in, so I take the chance with this one. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think about it. All right, let's go now. All right guys, so this is me with the DJI wireless microphone, and I haven't put the wind muff thing on, so maybe the audio will be windy. It's slightly windy at the moment. But we're gonna test and see if it actually works pretty well. In editing I'll find out, but I'm gonna go over there and we'll figure out if the range will be good. Yeah, so we have to do it. Because you know not every camera has good audio quality built in, so I take the chance with this one. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think about it. All right, let's go now.